Keep
man,
your
you stink.
distance.
What? No,
You
you
smell
keep
like
your distance.
trash.
You smell like
stink.
trash.
I think I'm gonna.
What?
Say your last words and say goodbye to this universe.
Hey, come on, man. Yeah, just drink up. Yeah. That's definitely not poison, man. What? Poison? No, no one said that. Come on. Yeah. What?
That's how I want to see you all humans
Okay,
working. Hey, you.
Yes, sir.
Give me a back massage.
Yes, right away, sir. Hey, you stop it. I'm gonna call help. Jerry,
Hey,
Jerry,
what's up,
come on.
Frank? Are you high again?
He's trying to hurt me.
What in the world is this?
I got no idea myself, Nigel. Let's touch it.
Hey, bro. Just getting ready for my date later. You okay there, buddy? Good job, buddy. I told you to buy a gift for Pablo. What did you do with the money I gave you?
He bought tunas.
Get me back that money, Antonio.
He's like probably thinking of another girl.
Stop
cheating on me.
What the heck? You want this, right? Okay. Here you go. Time to burn all the 20 cans of tuna I ate today. Give me that. You stupid. Sup? Bad boy. No reef for a week, no tuna for 3 days, no meeting with Trent for a whole month. Yes, keep it up. This is the only reason why I still live here. Good job, human. On guard! For a moment. I challenge you to a battle. The winner takes the tuna.